Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're comparing two of the top AI voice generators, ElevenLabs and Murf AI. If you're looking to create realistic voiceovers or need high-quality text-to-speech, stick around as we dive into which one is the better choice for your needs. First up, ElevenLabs. Known for its cutting-edge voice cloning technology, ElevenLabs offers incredibly realistic voices that sound natural and lifelike. The platform has various voices across different languages, accents, and emotional tones, making it perfect for everything from podcasts to audiobooks and even YouTube videos. The standout feature of ElevenLabs is its custom voice cloning, which allows you to create a unique voice model based on your own recordings or a reference voice. If personalization and natural sounding AI voices are what you're after, ElevenLabs is definitely a strong contender. On the other hand, Murf AI also excels at generating realistic voices, but it's particularly designed for business and professional use. Murf offers a wide range of voices with impressive intonation and clarity. It allows you to fine-tune aspects like pitch, speed, and emotional tone, giving you greater control over the voice output. Murf is often favored for use cases like presentations, e-learning, and commercial ads, where a professional and engaging voice is crucial. So, how do they compare? If you're looking for realistic, custom voice cloning for a more personalized touch, ElevenLabs is the way to go. If you need a tool that's great for professional, polished voices for business purposes, Murf AI is an excellent choice. That's a wrap for today's comparison. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.